Hey there, future business owners. Welcome to this quick guide on how to open a Barclays business account in 2025. If you're starting a new venture or looking to switch banks, getting set up with Barclays can streamline your finances and give you access to great tools for growth. Stick around, because we'll walk through the entire process step by step in just a few minutes. First off, let's talk eligibility. Barclays requires your business to be registered in the UK and for you to be a UK resident or have a legitimate business presence here. This ensures everything runs smoothly from the start. Before you dive in, double-check their website for any updates, as requirements can change. Next, gather your essential documents. You'll need proof of your identity, like a passport or driving license, along with business-related items such as your company registration certificate, articles of association, and proof of your business address. Having these ready will speed things up and avoid any delays. Now, head to the Barclays website or app. It's super user-friendly. Navigate to the business banking section and look for the Open a Business Account option. You'll be prompted to create or log into your Barclays profile if you don't have one already. Once you're in, fill out the online application form. Enter your business details accurately, including your company type, turnover estimates, and the account features you want, like online banking or overdraft options. Barclays might ask about your business plans to tailor the account to your needs. After submitting your application, Barclays will review it, which usually takes 1 to 5 business days. They'll verify your documents and might contact you for additional information. Keep an eye on your email for updates. If everything checks out, you'll get approval and can activate your account. You'll receive login details and a debit card shortly after. Remember, there might be a small initial fee, so budget for that. And that's it. Opening a Barclays business account in 2025 is straightforward and mostly digital, saving you time. Always consult the official Barclays site for the latest info. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching. Now go get that account sorted.